All right, in this video, we're just going to talk about how to um, take the 30-day packs and 90-day packs and split them as products. So let's just go over to the contact lens page here, and let's look for a 30 and 60-day pack version. So here we have Clarity 1-day toric. Let's go to the back end of the site. So from the back end of the site, what you want to do is you want to navigate to products. So once that loads up, you can sort the products here by selecting a category. Like you can quickly find a category in here, but I'm just gonna scroll down and find the product by just looking for it. You can Control F and find the actual product, but this is the one here, Clarity 1-day toric 30 pack, 90 pack. So right now it is one product. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna duplicate this. I'm just gonna click duplicate. Okay, and now we have a copy of this. So I'm just going to go back to the product. You can also right click, and when you hit duplicate. But what I want to do is just be able to quickly show you the difference. Okay, so let's just go back and find that original product, toric. Okay, and let's open this up. So I'm holding Command, and I can hit Edit or right click, hit Edit, and hit Open a new tab. And then you want to open the second product here. So right click the copied version of this. Okay. And what we'll want to do is we'll want to just rename this. So now we're going to leave this one, the original, as a 30 pack. And then the new one, the copy, we're going to leave as the 90 pack. So we're just going to get rid of that. And then on both, what we'll want to do is we'll want to edit the permalink. So what you want to do is edit, because it'll say 30, 90 pack. All you have to do is kind of highlight everything in here. Okay, hit backspace, hit OK. It'll rename the product for you based off the title. Go over the next tab, do the same thing. Backspace, hit OK. So far, so good. And then just hit update on the first product, the one that's already on the site. And on the second tab up here, with the new 90-day pack, you'll just need to publish this. Okay. All right. Next, if there's a description, make sure the description is updated or copied. Since it'll be copied, make sure it's updated. Yeah, and then as you scroll in, you'll see that these images, this is the 30-day pack, and this is the 30-day pack here as well. So you'll want to switch that to the 90-day, and the way to find that is under Variations. So under Variations, you'll see that there's a 30-day pack, and it's using this featured image, and the 90-day pack is using this image here. So what you'll want to do is just kind of make sure that you go into your 90-day pack, click this, and then just type in whatever the product is. So this is the toric 1-day, toric 90-day package version. So we'll just switch that out, hit update again. Okay. And then once that's ready, what you want to do in here is, you can just check all of these, make sure everything is good. But what you'll want to do is in here under attributes, there's only the 90-day pack. So we can just deselect 30-day. Okay, save attributes, go to variations. I'm sorry, I misspoke. On the new product, there's only a 90-day pack. So we remove the 30-day pack, and the default values will be 30-day, 90 pack, and then this one is available. We're just going to remove 15,274 here because we removed 30 pack. So we're just going to remove that. In this case, because there isn't any real variations, you don't really need to have this, but we'll keep this in here. Okay. And we can leave this as any pack, hit save. PPOM fields, these are the fields that pop up, the additional fields that are popping up. So if you want to add power or color or anything like that, you can, but it'll be likely the same as a 30 pack. And then the subscriptions. So this is the 90-day pack. What we'll want to do is make sure we set this to every third month, stop until cancel, and then make sure we set the discount. I believe it was 20% or 10%, one of them. But we want to leave it as is. In this case, leave one-time purchase on, and then hit update on this one. So the 90-day product is done. And then we want to go over to the 30-day product, and we'll want to make sure that we do the same things over here. So again, you can go through these here, make sure everything is good. Under attributes, we want to remove the 90-day because this is the 30-day pack version. So remove 90-day. Okay. And so that's the only one left. Hit save. Go to variations. Okay. And we can remove this one here. Hit OK. Okay. And then this was where the pricing will be. Again, if you just want to go double check the other one under variations, want to make sure that, yep, this is the $100 version, which is perfect. And this is the $40 version, which is perfect. Okay. Again, PPOM fields is fine. For this, we want to make sure this is every month. And we can set the discount here. One-time payment is one-time purchases on as well. And so we're good here. So hit save. Let's go back over to the front end. Let's refresh. Okay. And you can see now we have the 90-day toric here. And we can see down here we have the 30-day toric. Now, if we want them to show up next to each other, so let's just first off, let's just go look at both of these. So I'm just holding command and opening these up in a new tab. So the 90-day now, when you click subscribe, it'll only be for the every 3 months. You cannot choose it for any more frequencies unless you set that in that product. And then here, under the 30-day, again, you can only select the monthly for this one. And you might be wondering, how do I get these in order? So you can see that this is now appearing first. And it's all based off of like date published and time published. So what we'll want to do is just refresh this products page in the back end. Okay, you can see that this is here. So first thing you want to do is just look at the published dates of 2024-06-17. Okay. And then the time. And you want to go down to where you want it to be after. So let's go find where toric is here. And we can see that this is 2024-03-29-636. We're going to put the exact same date, 03-29, and we're going to put a time that is earlier. So we can see that if it is something a bit earlier, so we can get organized. Okay. So we're going to put this exact time in here. Let me just get this exact time. Okay. And this works in both settings, but we have 03, 29, 24, 18, 36. Okay. Let's go up here, hit quick edit. And even if you don't get this right away, you can always go back in and edit this. So I'm just going to hit that. I think that's what it was. Hit save. Let's refresh. Okay, you can see that it's moved from the top. Scroll down. And we can see that I got 03-29. So I think I put, let's go back here and see this 03-29. And let's go see it on the front end here. Let's just change that again. Let's actually, what I'm going to do is 03-29-36. We're going to make it 03-29. The other one, I'll get 03-29. 03-29, 1837. So it's just a bit after. Let's refresh. And so now they're right on top of each other, and we can go to refresh this on the front end, and you'll see that they display next to each other. So we just need to make sure that we do that in order to get them next to each other. But yeah, we have the product displaying properly. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.